I got a kaiko order today, as I told you in my last couple fidget toys reviews. These are all of them, so I'll review them one by one, like always. Okay, starting off with this, you put your fingers in the holes like this, and you can stretch them, or you can do it like this or like that. Yeah. Now next, this. Try to get it back into its original shape, but because I've already played with it, you can stretch it out like that and it stays like that. So yeah, that's that. There's this pineapple squishy. It's quite hard, so you can squish it really hard, so it doesn't burst. The plastic around it, the rubber around the Orbeez, so it doesn't break. It's quite strong. Okay, then now there's this. So you can play with it, like you can bend it and stuff like that, but it's actually meant for biting. So yeah, you can bite it like you can bite it all, like, yeah. I know it's a little bit disgusting, but it helps bring your anger out. Now I've also got this. It's all another bitey thing. But it goes around. It can go around your neck. Here's another body thing. It's a pencil topper. And this, it's actually used for doing this, but you can bite it. It is a good, like, bite ring, kind of. And now is this. It's a turtle, but if you it's very hard. Apart from it's a hard part. It's quite hard compared to the other ones that I have, which I showed off in some of my other videos. A turtle one and a shark one, and I also have now a pig one. This one's also quite soft. And then also this. So it's a dumpling it's in a case. You can take the lid off and it's squishy. So yeah, that's quite like that. So this can go on a pencil. It's a squishy, but it can go on your pencil. It's an ice cream, so it's got, yeah. And then, then these ones, they are like, they're like rubber. They can squish. They haven't got any liquid inside. They're just pure, really soft rubber. And they're a little bit sticky. And then there's these two. There's this one, this blue one, and then this orange one. I feel like the orange one's a bit tougher, but I'm not sure. So don't quote me on that. It's just my opinion. And then we've also got this. It's an egg, but it's like really nice and squishy. And then there's this as well. You can use it in your hand, and you try to make the spring go out. You can change how hard it is. So it goes up to 60 and it goes down to 5. So if I put it down a little bit, you can see it's a lot easier. Yeah, you can actually see the spring moving. And then these two, the last two, aren't really considered fidget toys, but they're satisfying. So it's this one, it's a speaker. So you turn it on, and it can,
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yes.
Bluetooth mode.
It shows stuff up on the roof. Yeah, and it's a speaker. And then there's this one, which you have to put it together. So you just have to put the glitter in. If you do order one of these from Kaiko Fidgets, it comes with 2 packets of glitter. Only put 1 because if you put 2, it's a bit too much. We haven't put it together, but that's what the description says on it. For like the person that gave the owner of Kaiko Fidgets, the mother of Kai, told us that that 2 packets a bit too much. So yeah, it's got a charger, it's got the speaker, and then you have to put the water in at the top. Yeah, they're both Bluetooth, and then you turn it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And it's
Bluetooth mode.
And it's got a light in it. So yeah. And then I will be getting a couple more, maybe like 2 more. 2, 3 more. So they just need to go through some. I just don't have them at this current time. So you can expect 1 or 2 more videos left. Okay? Until I order some more.